Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is my alkaline porridge, absolute favorite of mine, which I have most mornings. The base of it is made with quinoa, which is an alkaline food, super good for you as it's not too acidic and that's what the body likes. It's also got an array of other fresh ingredients. So we have the quinoa, obviously, fig or baby bananas, coconut milk, coconut flakes, Seamoss, cinnamon and nutmeg, blueberries, a little bit of lemon juice, some vanilla, and that's it. So to start with, we want to soak our quinoa. So just going to add some water, and you can leave it for about an hour or you can leave it to soak overnight. It's entirely up to you. So whilst that's soaking, we want to prepare the blueberry kind of compote. So I'm going to add the blueberries to a pan just like this with a little bit of water, and then we want to add our coconut sugar and a little bit of lime juice just to give it a little bit of acidity and so that it's not too sweet. So just add that to the heat, give it a little bit of a stir, bring it to a low boil. Blueberries will break down. Once it's done that, like this, just set it aside and leave it to cool. That's basically it done. Back to the quinoa porridge now. Our quinoa has soaked, so we want to add it to the pan and just bring that up to the boil. After about 20 to 25 minutes, I'm going to add in a little bit of oats. This is optional. I just like that it adds another layer and it makes it a little thicker. So just mix that in until it's nicely combined, and you'll see that the oats start to absorb all of the remaining water. So as the oats have absorbed the water, the base is basically cooked. So next we want to take our coconut milk. And this is basically to enrich it now. Add in your spices as well, the cinnamon and nutmeg, followed by the vanilla, which will just give it another layer of flavor, and just mix that through. So you can see now it's gone super rich. So the last thing we want to add is our Seamoss. I've got a recipe of how to make that above, and just take a spoonful or two, stir that in, and then we want to add a little agave for some sweetness, and that is basically the porridge done. So I'm going to add that to the bowl, and then to top it off, we're going to add some coconut flakes on top. Then we want to add in some of our lovely blueberry compote that we made. And finally, I've just sliced up some of these beautiful baby bananas, drop them on top, and that is basically it. Guys, I promise you, this is probably one of the best porridges ever. So filling, so nutritious, and it will cover you for the first few hours of your day. I hope you like this one and I hope you try it. Until the next time, peace and love.